Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Wirecast and creating a new document. Set your canvas to 16:9 so framing is consistent. Next, add sources. Click the plus under Shots, choose Camera or Screen Capture, and name each input so you won't confuse them later. Then configure audio, route your microphone to a mono or stereo device and set levels. Aim for -6 dB peak so you have headroom. Once done, save the document to preserve these base settings. You now assemble scenes by combining shots into layers. Drag your camera, then overlay graphics and a lower third on top, so branding is consistent. Next, configure transitions and program hotkeys. This lets you switch shots instantly during an event. Then open Output Settings and pick your encoder. Software X264 or hardware is a key decision. Set a bitrate appropriate for your upload speed, choose a 2-second keyframe interval, and add the stream destination, so Wirecast knows you should always preview and record a short test, ensuring audio sync and clean frames before going live. When ready, press Start Streaming. Monitor stats for CPU, dropped frames, and bitrate so you can react quickly. Make small adjustments on the fly, fade transitions, swap shots, or engage a media playlist for breaks. If something breaks during the broadcast, first pause the stream locally, then lower bitrate or switch to a hardware encoder. This often restores stability with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.